Hello, good afternoon, Ishika.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome to the first mock PI of yours. I'll
Yes,
introduce you to the
sir.
panelists. So basically, we have Vishal sir with us. He's the director of Pehel organization and he's a management expert. We have Raja sir. He is from New Delhi. He has 24 plus years of experience in the industry. Also, he's a textile designer and a social responsibility consultant. We have Vijay sir along with us. He's the regional head of Pehel Uttarakhand Centers, also a design mentor. So I would just request Vijay sir to start the interview,
Okay,
please.
thank you. Thank you so much. Ishika, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, which course are you aspiring for in NIFT?
Sir, Masters in Fashion Management.
Oh, great. So, can you tell me about your academic background only?
Okay, sir. I am a graduate in Bachelor's of Commerce from Isabella Thoburn College, Lucknow, and my senior secondary studies were also in commerce.
Okay, great. So, you are a commerce graduate, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, yeah, an ideal choice for a commerce graduate if they want to do masters in management would be
Yes,
a
sir.
MBA program. Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
what were the two factors that led you to choose MFM as a course of priority for you?
So basically, there is an incident behind this, behind my option for choosing MFM. It was during my college years. I assisted the fashion designer of my college. We had a fashion show during our college fest. So I assisted the fashion designer. Definitely, being a commerce graduate, my first priority and my liking was towards the management. When I assisted the fashion designer of my institute, so there I realized that I had a liking for creative domain, and masters in fashion management is something which had the amalgamation of my liking and my interest, as my interest is in management and my liking was for creative domain.
Okay,
So
Ishika, sorry.
yes, sir.
How can you relate your, as you said that you assisted a fashion designer in an institute
Ye-
to maybe conduct an event. So how
yes,
can
sir.
you term that, helping out to, arrange a event to be a
Yes,
creative?
sir.
How do you find it to be a creative?
So creativity for me is problem solving.
Mhm.
And event management, though we plan everything is planned, but when we know humans are involved, definitely there are going to be spontaneous problems arising. So event management is creative as we get spontaneous problems. And uh, let me be let me mention that I was also the member of college fest organizing committee, so I know how spontaneous problems arise. So there was I'll just share an incident. We had to commence the cultural fest, aura, which is called aura. We had to commence the cultural fest by 10, but due to the delay of judges we had to commence it by 11. So this was a kind of problem and we had to solve this problem. So I believe that,
Yeah, please
sir.
continue. Yeah, continue,
Okay,
please.
okay. Yeah. So uh, okay, so I was creativity for me is problem solving and event management is creative.
Okay, great. So, Ishika, as you move for MFM course, so
Yes,
what
sir.
kind of specialization are you looking forward to take in the MFM?
So I'm looking forward for entrepreneurship.
Oh, that's wonderful. Entrepreneurship.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. So,
Yes.
what kind of entrepreneurship venture you are seeking forward?
So I am planning for a store in my city, as I belong to a tier two city. So the fashion here arrives a little late than tier one cities, and I have seen when I moved to Lucknow. Basically, let me explain from which city I am. I am from Barabanki. It is a tier two city adjacent to Lucknow. So when I moved to Lucknow for my graduation, there I realized that even tier two city people want to have that passion, but they are not capable of having it because of the lack of I would say city resources. So I'm planning to open up a store having fast fashion and trendy fashionable items for them in my city.
Okay, great.
Yes,
So
sir.
you're looking for a retail store to be opened up in your
Yes,
city
sir.
where you'll
Yes,
be
sir.
keeping a trendy and a fashion items all together.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how do you think, just passing from your MFM, so what would be the key three resources that you will be requiring to start up your own store, and How will you arrange those resources?
So very first thing, I will need experience. Very first thing is experience in that field. I need to have expertise to establish my store. Secondly, finance. So expertise I'll gain if I work in industry for some time. And finance, for finance, I'll look forward to government, as they have several schemes launched for small businesses, and there is this
Can you
new
name
scheme.
any scheme? Can you name any scheme?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The first scheme is Atmanirbhar Bharat, and under this they have several schemes for MSME, micro, small, medium enterprises.
Mhm.
So they have, and even they have that they loan short-term loans also for the small businesses.
Okay, I got it. I got it, Ishika.
Okay.
So just one question that comes to my mind. What was your favorite
Yes, sir.
subject in commerce?
My favorite subject in commerce,
Hmm.
it was Trade of India in my third year.
Trade of India.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So what was your takeaway from that subject? Any two key learnings from that subject?
So, as the subject itself says, Trade of India. So, I got to know a lot about the trade which is done in India, the exports of India, the imports of India, and how they are done, and since when they have been since when they have been done. And one key point, that our balance of trade has been unfavorable almost since independence. There was just 1 year when we had favorable trade of balance. These are the two key points which I took away.
Okay, very good. So what do you understand by balance of payment?
So balance of payment is the difference between imports and exports. Uh, if we have more imports than exports, so we will have an unfavorable balance of trade. And if we have more exports than imports, then we will have favorable balance of trade.
Okay, I was asking balance of payment. Okay, okay,
Oh,
that's
balance
fine.
of payment.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
okay, okay. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So payment is the monetary transaction that is done in this
Perfect,
way.
perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, Ishika, that is from my side. So I move to
Yes,
Raja
sir.
sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome.
Hi, Ishika.
Hello,
Hi,
sir.
Ishika. Yeah, hi. In your discussion with Mr. Vijay, you have talked about fast fashion, the term called fast fashion. What do you mean by it?
Yes, sir. So fast fashion is uh, fast fashion is that replicate of ramp walks. I'd say the brands which are fast fashion brands like H&M and Zara, they replicate the ramp attires in affordable prices.
Okay. And what are the brands that you have for fast in India?
So in India, we
Yes.
have H&M, Zara, Forever 21, Uniqlo. We have stores for all these, and even we have online access for it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's it. That is the only thing which I have wanted to ask you. Vishalji.
Shika, how are you?
Good, sir. How are you?
I'm great. So like BCom, then coming to MFM.
Yes,
Just I
sir.
need to understand why this switch, like BCom then MFM.
So I'll share my incident again. Being from a commerce
Hmm.
background, my choice and my interest was in management. Then when I assisted the
Hmm.
fashion designer of my college and backed the whole team for the
Okay.
cultural fest, so I discovered my liking
Hmm.
for the creative domain.
Okay, great.
Yes, sir. And
Okay, I understood. Oh, I understood. I think you talked about this.
yes, sir.
So like, have you gone through a curriculum of MFM?
Yes, sir.
So like, you said which specialization you were looking for?
The entrepreneurship.
Which? Okay. So what do you know about it? Have you gone in detail about it?
So not much in detail, but yes, a little.
Hmm. Hmm. Which where do you see yourself after after completing your MFM? Then where do you see yourself after 5 years from today onwards?
So 5 years is a long term, and I believe long term visions
Hmm.
come successful with short term milestones set through it. So and set through it, short term milestones set through it. And in initial years, in the initial few years, I intend to not just like to, I intend to attain the skills and knowledge for the industry first. Then I believe with this
Okay.
skill set attained, I will be able to get employment in a reputed firm where I'm working under my
Hmm.
seniors, professional seniors. I will gain some experience
Hmm.
and yield good results for the company and for myself too. I will bloom my professional skills there. Uh, then Not so soon. I'm not going to start my business. Not so soon. I personally believe I should have some experience first. Then I would move on to my entrepreneurship idea or my startup that I have. So 5 years
Okay.
down the
Okay.
lane, I
Great.
see myself in a reputed firm, working under the senior professionals and blooming my professional skills.
Okay. Great. Great. That's all from my side. Vijay sir, quick feedback. Yes.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes. Ishika, I find your answers to be well prepared. Okay. I'll
Okay.
not say spontaneous, but it's well prepared. Which
Yes,
is
sir.
okay. Which is okay. Which is
Okay,
good,
sir.
I'll say, because you all are preparing, and your mentor must have worked very hard on you to prepare this answer. Uh, and I think the way again try to connect it the parts was very predictable, if I'll say. ठीक है क्योंकि हमारे लिए we have taken so many interviews, so we can
Yes,
predict that
sir.
your answer is something which you have framed, which you have amalgamated
Okay, sir.
sequence wise, which is
Yes,
good,
sir. Yes, sir.
which
Yes,
is not wrong,
yes,
I'll
sir.
say. Okay,
Okay,
which is,
sir.
but as a student also, your expectation is always high. Okay, that
Yes,
if
sir.
you can just try to break some stereotype of your conversation, and that
Yes, sir.
stereotype should break not through content only, but through
Yes,
some
sir.
kind of presentation. Okay,
Okay, sir.
presentation in terms of your voice modulation,
Yes, sir.
presentation in terms of giving a pause, okay,
Yes, sir.
validating a question, say thank you sir for the questions, okay,
Okay, sir.
acknowledging what the examiner is asking about you, okay,
Yes, sir.
again giving some gestures which shows that you are highly interested for this profession with a smile on your
Yes,
face,
sir.
okay,
Yes, sir.
and yes, story something which you have tried to put in every answer, which I'll not say is wrong, but if suppose
Yes,
I
sir.
asked you one
Yes,
question
sir.
that why you want to go into MFM after commerce,
Yes,
and
sir.
suppose the same question was asked by Vishal sir, okay, so
Yes,
you
sir.
need to again necessary repeat those story again.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so again that seems that it all is a very much framed answer.
Okay,
ठीक है,
sir.
आप बोलो वही
Yes,
चीज,
sir.
उसको बोलो वही चीज,
Yes, sir.
उसको थोड़ा सा
Yes, sir.
एक अलग तरीके से सटल तरीके से आप बोल सकते हो कि सर
Yes,
yes,
sir.
I had a passion for management which I found
Yes, sir.
during my college days, wherein during the
Yes,
final
sir.
year of my graduation I had an privilege or to organize an event closely associated with a fashion designer, which made me believe that yes, this is a field where I can learn with my passion. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that what
Yes.
made me go to MFM. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so small elements as such this is missing in your answers, but otherwise MFM
Okay, sir.
answers that you are giving is, I'll say, good. I'll not say very
Okay.
good because it's a
Yes,
frame.
yes.
सारा framed है. Am I
Okay,
right?
sir.
ये सारा आपने बना
Yes,
रखा है
yes,
पूरा.
I did prepare for the static
हाँ
questions.
हाँ हाँ, आपने पूरा फ्रेम किया हुआ है, but ठीक है, गलत
Yes,
नहीं है,
sir.
उसको थोड़ा सा और बेटर तरीके से प्रेजेंट करें. ठीक है?
Yes, I'll
चलो.
keep that in mind.
Yeah, all the best.
Thank
All
you,
the
sir.
best. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, Shika. One,
Yes, sir.
through your discussion and interviewing and all those things in replies, you have raised one term which is called fast fashion, which is a most debatable thing that would happen. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I'm sure if this is the thing that half of your interview will be on the fast fashion only. Okay. So it is
Okay,
very
sir.
important, and then to know
Yes,
about
sir.
it when you are using a term, you have to be very elaborately be having the knowledge of that term, because
Yes, sir.
it is a replication of most of fashion, high price fashion garments in a low price, whatever. But actually main thing is fast fashion are those products which are being manufactured at very high quantities and everything, where it reaches each and every consumer, a lot of colorways and everything, and cheaper in price and all those things. Okay,
Yes.
it is more important that you need to have you have to be very, very careful while you are putting your words into that. Okay, when you said like you wanted to take fast fashion into your village where you are not having access of those products and everything. So
Yes, sir.
all the interviewing panels, I'm sure, would be speaking and bombarding questions on fast fashion and many things. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
if I'm asking about just fast fashion, you need to let us know on at least 5 to 6 fast fashion products that are available in India or Indian stores
Yes, sir.
that you would
Yes,
like to take to your village. Because when we are taking to our village or town and everything, non-affordable places, it is very important to be price conscious. So what are the
Yes,
labels
sir.
that you wanted to take? What are the fashions that you wanted to take? Those are very important. Okay, so you have to work on that point whenever you have
Yes, sir.
fast fashion. Any technical words, any
Yes, sir.
research-based technical words are very important to be thoroughly studied. Okay,
Yes.
yeah,
Okay,
that is
sir.
it.
Understood. Thank you, sir.
Ishika, sorry, yeah,
Yes, sir.
Ishika, yeah,
Yes, sir.
yes. Like I'm already very much agree with the feedback given by Vijay sir and Raja sir.
Yes,
So I'd like to add one point only.
yes, sir.
That see, it is not all about you have to express your ideas. There are multiple way of expressing it. Do not
Yes, sir.
frame it. Why I ask the same question? Why MFM after BCom? Because I really want to hear that now. What you will say? Will you repeat that story? Because I was also in that story, or will
Yes,
you
sir.
change it? My objective was to understand. You don't have to like, yes, we write so many things on paper, fine, that is very okay,
Yes, sir.
but you don't have to remember each and every words. Got my point? At this
Yes, sir.
stage, once we are graduate, then we are mature enough to express the same idea in different ways. So
Yes,
why
sir.
to remember in a if someone is asking, tell me about yourself, then I'll speak in this way. Hi, this is Ishika. I did my graduation from here. No, I can have some different style also. Every time I'll be different, because
Yes.
you have to first you have to know about yourself. It may be in details, and every time you will be different. So that you need to understand. Fine. So do not memorize the things. Always
Okay, sir.
understand and express your words. That is all about. You were speaking out, and do not get into much details. Fine. Do
Okay,
not
sir.
get into much details. Try to be very if efficient, and try to be you can have to express yourself in very few words. You always had a very long paragraph to say about, because generally now, when someone is asking you a question, you are talking 5 minutes, the person is lost what she is talking about. So
Okay,
to be
sir.
point, you have to answer. Otherwise, you are good. You have good fluency, and you are good communicating. But I'll say that do not memorize the things.
Yes,
Learn
sir.
the things and then express your word, express your ideas. That is all about.
Mm,
That's it from my side.
exactly.
And all
Thank
the
you, sir.
best, Ishika, and give yourself more time for your preparation. Fine.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Good
Okay.
luck,
Bye.
Ishika.
Okay, thank you, Ishika. So we'll inform you when we keep the other session for the mock PI. So for now, you can just exit the meeting.
Okay. Thank you, panel. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
So